In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to download the PassPort POS Cloud app from Google Play Store. Please go to the Google Play Store and enter PassPort POS Cloud and hit enter. It will show you the PassPort POS Cloud version. This is the app you need to be able to connect to your back office. So once you do that, just select the PassPort POS Cloud version, free app, and hit install. They'll also ask you a few questions from Google Play Store. Please hit accept. You'll see the download pending. It's a little slow with this since we're going through a TeamViewer app. As you can see, it's downloading the app and installing it. Once the app is downloaded, it will start a self-install. You also can get this Android app by going to PassportPOS.com and going to the upper right-hand corner and download app. Once it's installed, just hit open. Once the app is installed, it will come up and ask you a few questions so it knows who you are, what database to connect to, and so forth. Here we're going to enter PassPort POS@gmail.com. Then we must enter a device key. If you do not know what the device key is, please watch the video tutorial on how to create a device key. In this case, we created one called Smart. Then you must give a unique name to the device that you're loading the POS app on. We're going to call this Terminal 1. After this is completed, you must hit Submit. This will make sure it goes and finds out that you're connected to the right database and you've given permission for that device to connect to your database. It'll upload all the keyboard information, inventory information, and everything else that needs to be done to this system. It will then default to login. A default login until you set up your clerks in the back office, or if you already have watched the video tutorial on clerk setup, the default is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are now up and running and got the POS app on the Android PassPort POS up and running. Thank you.